Hi, this is Tom with Innovia Consulting, and today I'm here to show you just a little bit about the Microsoft Dynamics Business Central solution. Business Central is a great solution for those companies that have outgrown QuickBooks or one of the Sage products and are looking for the next business system to help them continue to grow their companies. Today I'm going to spend a little bit of time on jobs or project management, as it's sometimes called. And so today I'm in a role center for someone who's managing the production environment in a job shop. So I can see anything that might need to be invoiced. I can see my WIP. I can see jobs that might be over budget. I can see any user tasks that need to be tended to. And I can also take a look at a variety of reports that are built right into the system to help us better understand where we are, budget to actual from a planning perspective, attendance reporting, as well as many other aspects of running the job shop. In this case, I'm going to take a quick look at our job list so that we can get a sense of the variety of things that we can do within Business Central. So I've got a job set up here for setting up some work areas. And so if I drill into this one, it's going to give me a quick snapshot. I can see where I was expected to be on the budget, where I am actual, any of the tasks that I expected to perform inside of this job, all at a glance. But I could just drill in. If I wanted more information, I could go to the job planning lines, and then it's going to give me a little bit more detail on any given line that I'm looking at. So in this case, I was on the preliminary work. Maybe I want to see where I needed to be in determining the specifications. And so it shows me all the resources as well as any material that might be planned for any portion of my job. If I wanted to navigate in and get a better sense of how I'm doing on a particular job, I could look at the statistics for an all-up view, and then it's going to show me in terms of budget and actual, what did I use for my human resources, what have I used in terms of material, and what have I expensed to the job to a particular GL account. So it gives me a running total of where I am, how I'm doing, so that I have a good shot at making sure I bring this job in on budget. As we're moving through the process, I can manage all the job tasks from one screen. So if I bring this up, I'll get a complete listing of all the job tasks, who's been assigned to them, where they are at any given moment. I can also leverage one of the other Microsoft Office solutions, which is Power BI. And so in this case, I've set myself up a dashboard because I wanted some clear visuals as to where I am on a job. So as percent complete, where am I? Cost versus invoice to make sure I'm not over or under invoiced. Show me the jobs that might be over budget. And if they are, show me, that list so that I can drill in and find out what's going on this thing. But day to day, I'm working within the system to make sure that I've got the information in front of me that I need. The other thing that I need to track, obviously, in a job shop are my resources. So I can look at my human resource list. I can also look at my equipment list in here and make sure that I'm able to manage and allocate my resources appropriately. I can assign costs to these folks. I can add overhead costs if I wanted to, any markup that I choose so that I make sure that I'm profitable whenever I assign this person to a job. And then it helps me navigate my overall ability and where I might have some resource constraints. So if I go into the capacity report, it's going to show me for each person, in this case by month. It could show me by month, by date, by anything that I choose here. Many people look at a week, and then it shows me, what I have allocated across anyone for a given week, so that I can quickly identify who may be overbooked or to avoid bottlenecks that cause us to not keep our commitments to our customers. So as you can see here, Microsoft Dynamics Business Central provides you everything you need in a job cost environment to better run your business, to better manage your resources, and to ensure that we're getting the information that we need to make good business decisions. The other folks that tend to be particularly interested in the job information are the accountants. And so we've got a WIP cockpit that's loaded for them that shows us all our jobs at a glance. It can show us anything that needs to be posted here so that we can have a quick look at where we are and then move in and say, hey, look, I want to calculate my WIP. And so when I calculate WIP, it can ask what posting date I'm looking for. If I'm looking for a particular job, I could filter that. If I wanted to see all jobs, I could leave that blank. I can put date ranges in. And so when I run those, it actually shows me everything that I need to know about any one of these jobs. And then I simply, I can review the entries prior to posting, but then I just go in and I post that to the general ledger, and it makes sure that everything's properly accounted for from the accounting perspective. So hopefully this has given you a quick glimpse into everything that you could have from a Business Central system. It's not limited to just the project management. It's full sales orders, inventory, accounting, financial reporting, and you get all of this for only $70 per user per month, including a built-in CRM system. So hopefully you've seen something here that you're interested in. If you are, you can visit us at www.innovia.com or contact us from our webpage, and we're happy to give you more information. Thanks, and have a great day.